Hey guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you guys how you can boil your cassava or yuca root. You can call it cassava or yuca root. So first of all, I just want to point out that it's best to get freshly harvested cassava when you want to boil your cassava. It's best to use freshly harvested cassava. In Cameroon, when you go to the market and you say you want to buy cassava, the sellers will tell you if it's good for boiling or not. They'll oftentimes tell you if you can use it maybe for fufu, or if you can boil it, and they'll tell you for how long it's been harvested. And then also they'll always tell you that when the cassava has stayed in the farm, it's not good for consumption anymore. So cassava is something that you want to be very careful with, especially when you just want to boil and eat. So you want to be very careful with. So we go ahead to peel our cassava. Ideally you could wash it so that all the mud from the skin comes out. That way when you are peeling, you don't have any transfer of mud. But then again, after peeling, you're going to see us thoroughly washing it under running water in order that we eliminate every mud, every dirt. When you are peeling your cassava, any part that you see that looks brownish or looks bad, cut it and throw it away. So we go ahead to peel our cassava, we wash it, and then we cut it open in the middle and take out the stalk that's found inside the cassava. If you watch my video where I was making water fufu from scratch, or the one where I made bobolo from scratch, you would see me take out that stalk from the middle because you don't want to have it in your cassava, okay? So we just went ahead to peel up everything. If you look in, you see that a lot of the cassava had a lot of them were not good. They had some stuff inside, and we just had to keep throwing away until whatever was left was what we ended up boiling. We are going to be eating this cassava. You can see how to take out that part in the middle. You don't want to boil it with that, so you take it out. Or even if you boil it with that, by the time you want to eat, you obviously have to take it out because it's not pleasant in the mouth, okay? So you have to take it out. Cassava is something that before you want to boil, you have to be careful. So I'm going to show you guys a very important step. You wash your cassava and then you soak it in water. So I left my cassava in this water for about an hour, 45 minutes thereabout, and then I took it out. So when you soak it in water, it helps to eliminate a certain toxin in cassava that is not good for the body. So you want to soak it in water before you boil it. So I put it in the pot, and then I put some sprinkles of salt in the water, and then I put it on the fire and I boiled it. So my cassava was ready in like 20 minutes. My cassava was ready, and I boiled it on medium heat. So we ate this cassava with mbongo. This is black stew, as we call it in Cameroon. Stay tuned for the next video where I'll show you guys how I cooked this black stew. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time here, please subscribe and come back for the next video. If it's not your first time, thank you for coming back and for sticking with us at JD's Kitchen. See you guys on the next one. Bye.